Hi everyone! It has been a good many months since I did a video. Oh my god. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Just tickle my throat. Okay. Today I'm doing vlogging today because today me and Manny are going to the beach. Yay! Yeah. So I'm not gonna be talking to you kind of vlog. It's gonna be sort of like it's gonna be part vlog, part document your life sort of thing, because I see that I've watched it a lot on the booktubers I've been watching, and yeah, I'm gonna try that. Just videoing stuff, and I'm gonna put music over top of it to try. Yeah. And have fun at the beach. I've already got I'm all ready packed. I'm just waiting for Manny to get here. And I wanted to get this done. No, don't have a selfie stick. Yeah. I'm not in the need of getting a selfie stick. I'm gonna be getting a mobile stick. Because I don't do selfies. I do vlogs. This stuff. Talking to the camera. Yeah. So, when I get my check for, June, I am going to get one of the sticks at the dollar store. Just something to use. And, yeah. So like this, we're worked better, and you're not so close to my face, and you get a better view, aerial view. And I'm not hurting my arm, because my arm is certainly not ready to do this. I only just did yesterday my first day of my Wii exercises, yes. And my little, yes, I have better lighting now. Maybe, I don't know. My little the mat, the thing you stand on for Wii exercises, your Wii Fit. It told me that it hadn't seen me in 182 days. Yeah, understandable for like the fall and the winter and like the cold stuff, and like I don't want to work there. But like for the last like 1, 2, maybe 2.5 months, something between there, I haven't been doing my exercises. And my gut got bigger, my hips got bigger. Just a little bit. Yeah. So. Yeah. And one of the things you do in it, you do the steps. And when I do the steps, I use my candles, and I do like the arm crunch. I don't know. I do this with it just to gain my muscles. Oh my god. And they hurt. It just hurt. Yeah, so that's the plan for the day. So I'm gonna try to take you out, just, yeah. Again, it's like a half vlog, half document your life, because it's not like, document your life usually encompasses like a whole entire month. While today, I'm just doing today, because I feel like it. And also, when I want to start doing vlogs, because I do eventually want to do like vlogs a little more. I need the like the viewfinder at the back. Like it shows you an actual picture of it. You don't have to stick your face up against a little small viewfinder like this. Excuse me. I can flip it up so that I can make sure I'm in frame and make sure it's recording. Yeah, so, I have 2 minutes left on here, so I'm gonna get going, and, yeah, because there's not much else to talk about. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this thing I'm making, and, I'll see you all in my next video. Hi, Granny, going to get ice, and, after that, we're leaving! We're a little behind on our schedule. We wanted to be there at 11. We're like an hour and a half late. It's okay. It's not like I have to be home. I can stay out. Yeah. That is my nice hat. I like my hat. I haven't worn this, I think since last year. I don't feel like I wore it much last year. But I wore it today because, you know, it keeps the sun off my head. And it keeps it off my part because, as you can see, I did braids. And, you know, when you do braids, you have like a part in your head, on your head. So I'm not going to get burnt there. Yes. That are good.
Self-supported zoo. It's not the greatest zoo, but they do save a lot of animals.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they've had a lot of disputes over land in this area. This is all, if you ever heard in the media, all the land disputes with the natives and shit.
Yeah.
That's all happened right through here.
Oh.
Right? You know, they had to close off this road eventually because it was getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen like a lot of stuff. Like I watched it in like CSI and Criminal Minds. Like they talk about it and all that stuff.
The native have these banner poles that they occasionally put banners on. And they're located. You know, you'll see them. They're like 3 logs, and then they'll have like a connecting wood going across them. And usually there's nothing on. Sweet smell of country. Here's the Grand River. Look at it. This is the Grand River.
Bye! Bye! There you're
fast enough for this guy. See, like, look, ATVs, they go off-roading over here.
Yeah.
You can see the track marks where they go driving around.
Whoa, Jesus. my god, look at the blue!
How gorgeous it is. Eh?
Yeah. And I'm ready to go, me.
Later, we're gonna come.
That looks like a Tim Hortons, but.
It was. So last time I was here, it was. We're going this way.
Look at that thing.
Normally we would go that way if we wanted to go to Port Dover Beach.
Yeah.
And this place is awesome too. The Arbor, it's been 85 years. There's Norfolk
Tavern, Captain
Over
Billy's.
here, there's all these different places you can go.
Captain Billy's.
Full. There's like
Yes.
every single
The
spot.
Pale Whale.
Right here, right here,
Yeah.
right here. All these, but look at this. We can spend like every day here. There's so much shit here.
Maybe we should just come up here for a weekend.
I don't mind. Look, there's nice little shops.
Pearl Boutique.
It's been a while since I've been to Turkey Point. I might have to look it up. I have to drive this way for a while and then turn left. And that's it. So it'll take me straight there.
Kiss me, kiss me, with your love and fill me with your poison. Take me, take.
It just gets big. It doesn't look that big, and then you look and it's fucking big.
Big dog, big boy.
It's a big stepper.
Uh-huh.
You want to make sure you
Oi!
stop.
Yes. Bait and tackle.
I hope that was just kept.
There's another one.
That's to offer some shade from the sun because too much sun will destroy those leaves.
Oh my god, look at it!
It also helps to keep birds out.
Yeah. That's a lot. That's like 3 farms. Oh, there's a biker. Hello, biker. Goodbye.
Brown eggs and maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Yeah, maple syrup.
Cool. Why are we in the country? We should rent a cottage.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I want to do it with some farmers.
Okay. Maybe we could have my cousins.
This hour and I rent a nice cottage, so that's a good little
You know.
stick bunched up together. Look
Yeah.
at them all.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite
Community
places.
pavilion.
This is one of my all-time favorite places to go
Yeah.
in the summer. See, look, there's a bathroom fucking place right there.
Yeah.
Parking this way. Sometimes I park that way.
Yeah.
I'll put it this way.
Pops Food Mini Put Arcade. Over 20 flavors of ice cream.
Yeah, and then there's Turkey Vegas that way, bar and grill.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of little places over here too that are worth checking out.
Bay Views that way.
Oh,
Yo.
beautiful it is. Look, water's a bit more calmer over here.
Yeah.
If you go around that bend, Port Dover's just over there on the other side of that bend of the lake over there.
Where all the green is?
Yeah, where the hill comes over there. Because we rented a boat
Yeah.
to go all the way over there to go to Port Dover. Yeah, you can just pull in right here and park.
Yeah. We just gotta find a parking spot. Look, we could actually go to the Turkey Point Hotel. There's a hotel right here on the beach.
Park inside. It's all closed.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's all fucking closed. We can park right here.
Let's park right here and let's go.
Closer.
Okay. I don't know if I'd want to park at the Turkey Point. Stay at the Turkey Point Hotel. Or this is also a motel. I don't know how nice it would be.
Right there.
No, I'd say stay at the hotel, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah, I don't know how nice it is. Last time I was here, it was like right here. That's where we were. We were facing that way.
Yeah.
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 See, look, bathroom's right there.
Yeah. Bathroom. Say hi.
No one's in the water. I think it's way too cold.
Say hi.
Hi!
Yeah. You know, they probably like basically just jumped in. Oh my god!
It's actually not so bad here.
Yeah.
I'm used to that. All we've been doing is eating, snacking,
Yeah.
drinking.
Yes.
Wow, it is way better.
Oh, it's still. Oh! Oh my god, no! No! God, it's freaking cold! Yeah.
one. Yeah. Possibly.
That house over there is pretty sick too. I want to put a balcony and a peak right there. You see that?
Yeah.
That's nice too.
It's like a cat. It looks like a cabin, sort of.
Big actually. It stretches to the side there. That's it poking out over there. It's a big house.
Yeah.
I would totally buy a house over here if I struck it rich. Are you kidding me? This is you live relaxed. You know, you're only like an hour away with no real traffic really. You're near one of the best places in the world. Well, not one of the best places in the world, one of the best places nearby. Now that I'm used to it, the water doesn't seem that bad.
That's probably why they were playing in it. They got used to it. Oh!
Imagine how nice this water is going to be, like, say, in, like, late like that. July and August. Holy crap. We're coming here on Saturdays and Tuesdays.
Okay.
Probably try to.
Yeah.
You know?
Gotcha. This zoom is really good.
I know, that's one of the reasons I bought that camera.
And where you going? Oh, there's another one. Oh, did it. I'm gonna know. Hey, where's my sight?
These are birds, not like territorial animals.
It's a little too loud. Well, I've got great music. This is Disney. How far are you gonna go, Edward? You don't care so far. Alright, you're done. I can't even see you. Oh, there you are.
In Portugal, they maintain the beaches so well that they have these guys on like they're like ATVs with they drag these things behind them and it collects.
They have official beachcombers.
Yeah, official beachcombers that they drive around and they have this thing that.
Oh look! Oh my gosh, they're nuts.
Yeah, collects all the shit out of the so the sand is always so clean and nice. Yeah. Don't even have sticks and stuff in it like this. I'm like looking, I'm like, what? Oh, like that's where we came from. Oh, we're heading the right way. So I don't even need this anymore. Let go.
Celebrating my life. Saying, baby, let's go. We gon' rock this club. We gon' go all night. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. Oh, they're beeping now.
Oh, you know why?
They got lights on. Well, yes, for planes.
Yeah, that's right. So the flying things can see them. Too bad we can't see that where that mansion is I told you about that you can see right through.
Yeah.
I knew it was around here somewhere, but you know, those houses that they built over there could be like covering it. I'm not sure anymore.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, they left that little patch of forest right there.
Yeah. Jesus.
So freakishly big. They built a ginormous one somewhere. That's like the biggest that they've ever built. Right? Like, I was looking at a documentary on YouTube as they built it, and it was ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like a farmer can have these put on his field and make money just having them on his field.
Yeah.
Nothing left but their guts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, your car gets littered with fucking bugs. It's a little bit nighttime now. When we came, it was too early in the day for them to fly around.
Yeah.
Right?
See. I've never, like, even while driving
We must
for.
have driven through like a small patch of a swamp, right? And then at the speed we're going, it's 100 kilometers an hour, a little
Yeah.
car getting that, and they just literally explode.
Yeah.
There's nothing left. The pieces get blown with the wind, and the guts stick to the windshield.
Yeah. I've never.
Right?
Yeah.
We're flying at a speed that actually creates like wind resistance.
Yeah.
Right? So as they're flying, the lead bird has to flap the hardest because there's the wind resistance.
Yeah.
Right? But the lead bird is breaking the wind resistance for the birds in the traveling V formation. Right? So the birds that are in that V formation behind the leader don't have to flap as hard and they don't get as tired.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
But the bird in the front will get tired faster. So they rotate. Eventually the bird in the front will rotate down backwards, right? And eventually when you get to the last bird in the line, there's so much wind broken resistance from the birds in front that it's super easy at light for him to flap. He doesn't have to work as hard.
Yeah.
Right? And then eventually the bird in the back will have since he's been getting the easiest job, will move to the front of the line and be the leader. Right? You know, to break it for everybody else.
Yeah.
It's kind of neat how they figured that shit out. There's the castle house.
Yeah.
I'll slow right the fuck down. Goes from 80 to 50.
That's the auction place, I think.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, like in here. But like, oh, it's a baseball game going on.
That's neat.
Yeah, Dad used to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably should clean your window shield. Don't.
What?
It's not working.
Not too well, no.
No. Hi, I'm home. Oh my god, I'm tired. My hair is a little poofy because I took it out of my braids. It might be a little. It doesn't feel like it, but it might just be a little bit. Yeah, I'm warm. My fan's on. I just hope it is. I'm warm, but that's because it's out in the satin, obviously, and like my skin is warm. But anyway, I hope you like the little video.